Through the Bluebirds Foundation, the official charitable arm of Haverfordwest County AFC, we set out to organise a primary schools football festival where every child could feel part of the game, while also celebrating St David's Day and Welsh culture. With 23 schools from across Pembrokeshire arriving at the Ogi Bridge Meadow Stadium, the pitch quickly filled with energy, colour and plenty of noise as the festival got underway. Our Football for All Day made sure every child had the chance to play, enjoy themselves and feel included. It did not matter which school you come from or how many goals you scored, the most important thing was being part of the experience. All primary schools were encouraged to wear something Welsh-themed, and it was brilliant to see dragons, daffodils, hats and flags all around the ground. It turned a football festival into a real celebration of Wales. It was fantastic to see teammates encouraging each other, schools supporting one another, and children simply enjoying the chance to play football together. And that's what the Bluebirds Foundation is all about, using football to bring the community together and create opportunities for young people.
Redag fel rhyw lygod mawr os gen ti hanner awr sef o'na fi Ond cofio'r un hyn bethau sydd yn poeni pawb ond brif yn y pen draw ydyn ni ma bywyd mor braf